Hi everyone, my name is Dylan. Today I am super excited to talk to you about something that sounds super simple, but is actually really important as you go further on in your Google Sheets journey. This thing is the grid in Google Sheets. Now trust me, the foundation of the grid, the understanding, is super important for when you're later on trying to tackle more complex functions formulas. So let me share a little trick with you, the way I like to think of the grid in Google Sheets. I like to think of it as a game of Battleship. Now, do you remember Battleship from your childhood? You have the letters on the top row and the numbers on the side. Google Sheets works the same way, where you have the letters and the numbers, but in Battleship you're trying to guess where the ship is on this grid. Now you can say a column like B, and then 2 to kind of choose what square you want to hit. Now this works very similar in Google Sheets. Imagine you tell the sheet that you have information on the point B1, and then information goes all the way to the point B4. Now if you tell the sheet this, it will know to collect all of that information between those 2 points. Now this can be very helpful later on when you maybe want to use more formulas like sums and averages, and you need all the information between those 2 points. But let's take it up a notch for a second here. Think about a full sheet of data spread across multiple different boxes. Now, understanding the grid becomes super important here, because you need to know from where the information goes to where it ends. Let's say I want to collect all these battleships in this grid right here. So I would know that it starts at point B2 and ends at point G6. And we can see that that is the minimum number of squares that I want, but it collects all my information, or in this point, battleships, into this little box here. And we can use, like I said later on, more formulas and functions to calculate all this information. So I hope that video helped you out understanding Google Sheets, the grid. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Goodbye.